Hello. My camera is still lip shy or something. Well, I broke my camera, so I did not break my camera. My phone fell and everything just. I had a screen guard on, but when I took it off, my screen was broken, and the screen in front of my camera too. So, welcome to low quality content here. We're giving the best content, but it's not the video that counts. It's the material, right? Not saying that my material is anything good, but okay. If I turn my camera normal like this, it does not work. So welcome back, or welcome to my channel. Should I wear some earrings and then come? Yeah, I should. La la. So today we are talking about The Knight and the Moth, a book I just read, listened to while I was making this painting. And have I shown this painting? It was a very random painting. I just wanted to listen to the book because उसके Reddit reviews अच्छे थे. The door opened on its own. You know how shocked I get when Reddit के reviews अच्छे होते हैं? All the time. The books are a disappointment. All the time when I see like a fantasy book, right? So I was very curious about this book. I was like, I should listen to it as well. If उसके Reddit के reviews अच्छे हैं, and boy, it was good. It was, there is this stereotype. It's not a stereotype, it's actually the case with fantasy books. Let me just do this, wait. I was just closing the curtains वहाँ के because I do not like light, even though I just turned on this light. But yeah, and हम लोग सुबह वीडियो बना रहे हैं 11 बजे से पहले. I woke up before 11 बजे. I am not a creature of night anymore. I'm so cringe. But do you love low quality videos? I do like low quality videos. Well, I cannot afford high quality videos, but I like watching low quality videos about people babbling. Don't you? You should. It's good. And attention span अच्छा करो. Mobile से detox करो or something. आजकल I'm not in a mood to even do like scroll on Insta or YouTube. I just stop after 5 minutes, or not even that. I did not scroll on my phone पता नहीं कितने समय से, but yeah, my screen time is still high because I read Substack के articles and Pinterest and WhatsApp messaging. So yeah, I have started to hate calling people. Very weird for a person like me, but I'm changing. I am growing because I'm only 18. Yeah, so what was I saying? Yeah, high quality videos. If you want me to buy cool clothes, right, want me to order my Savannah wish list, please watch this video till the end. You all have a very bad attention span. You have probably clicked off this video by now, even though my content is amazing. So, and I mostly speak on this part, so I'm sorry. The Knight and the Moth. One of the things I liked about this book was it was very far off the stereotypical fantasy novel, like everything like things were not just written there for aesthetic. Things actually meant something. See, in A Court of Roses and Thorns, Thorns and Roses, right? Freya and everything. So I do not get why she was named Freya, but it's fine. The thing about that book was कि उसमें बार बार mother बोल रहे थे. Bless the mother, bless the mother. Who is the mother? There was no backstory about the mother. I think I don't remember Utta, but yeah, there was no backstory of the mother who created everything. No, it was like mother, okay. But in this book, always never but a visitor, that term actually meant something. Everything meant something. Bartholomew. It was not just for comedic twist, comedic timing or something. It meant something. Why did he speak Bartholomew? Why did he call everybody Bartholomew? It was him trying to remember his old self, that actually meant something. You know, one of the few points. And second point, the description of the male character was not so prominent. Like, his eyes smirked at me. He was smirking with his eyes. He growled. Those things. His description was not potent. The description was subtle, and it was good, right? And the female character, the main character, you can say, not even the female male lead, or the female is the main character, right? Not ki FMC, MMC. No. She thought about things other than the male character, right? I don't think even in her thoughts she thought too much about the male character. Just I like him. That's all. Like nothing. She was not thinking about him 24/7. Even though pehle I thought it was going to be like that. In the first chapter she's like the foulest night in all of. I forgot the place का नाम. But yeah. She पहले मुझे लग रहा था कि it was going to end up like a stereotypical book, because she was like, I'm going to prove him wrong, the foulest night, blah blah blah. I was like, chill bro, chill. But it did not turn out that way, and that was amazing. I hope I'm not giving too many spoilers, right? But थोड़े से है, so yeah. अगर तुम लोगों ने read नहीं किया, you all will think what? Bartholomew means something? I'm reading this book right now and it means something? I thought it was just for comedic twisting or something. Mau. I made Mau. I'll show you when it's done. I forgot to record videos doing it, so I'm making it. So Mama fell. And today is Diwali, so happy Diwali. I have nothing better to do. Yesterday I reconciled with an old friend and I'm going to her house for Diwali. Not her house, it's just a rental place for Diwali party. So it's going to be fun. I loved her. She was my best friend. I was the toxic one. So I was saying the female lead, the main character, the female character is not depicted as perfect. I remember her description: crooked nose, and her eyes did not have iris. It was just stone, which was nice, Nice. Do not have perfect female characters, physically. And male character, I don't think there was much of a description, and I loved that about the book. It was not like his silky black hair, a rap man. Yeah, there was some explicit, not that much, but ऐसा नहीं था कि oh he is like this. She was not being so dreamy about that guy. She had other priorities. That is the best part. And one of more things she was sad about her friends dying, and for a very long while it showed she was on her bed sulking, rather than I have to move to the next best thing, like Freya would do. Sarah J. Maas, listen, learn, and it's a duology. So I'm waiting for the next book. Really, I hope it's not released yet. I'm just waiting for the next book. Right. I'm not going to eat an apple. My father said कि apple आके खाओ, but no, I want to eat something. Gain weight करने के लिए. What was that? सर दर्द कर रहा है. So spoilers ahead. I don't care anymore. I cannot speak without giving spoilers, and I've been giving spoilers पूरे time. But yeah, अगर it was a normal book, stereotypical fantasy books, what were they? The priests, right? The diviners. The diviners wouldn't have been killed. they would have been stuck somewhere. And I really liked ki it's not ki they killed like every with the interaction with omens, every interaction was different. Not ki we met, we killed, we went away. No, it was like we killed once, they had died already once, they had they were on the verge of giving up, right? It was like that. And she was not afraid to kill the last omen, matlab the second last omen, the last omen though. And Bartholomew killed it instead of the male character, you know. I have forgotten the name of that character. It's fine. It's fine. They all won't mind. Why are my eyes? Okay. So I keep looking at myself. तो मैं कैमरा में लगता है कि मैं कैमरा को नहीं देख रही हूँ. So yeah, the book was good. The writing was good. The way she didn't know, she was not cringe. I haven't even searched the name of the author, but the part of the book I really, oh my god, it's you cannot keep one thing here because if it was a stereotypical fantasy book, I wouldn't have liked it very cheese. I would have stopped at the first chapter. I know. And I really liked the main reason for the क्या कहेंगे villain. You know, if I'm comparing it to Code of Thorns and Roses, the bad people had no motive. They just wanted to capture everything, right? Here, the villain was actually very self-righteous, you know, in her way. The king of Highburn was just like, I want to conquer this, I want to conquer that, I want to conquer this. Okay, well, happens, but people usually conquer for a certain reason, like resources and everything. King of Highburn, I don't know what. I haven't really. क्या मैंने पढ़ा था उस बुक में? There was so much everywhere, armies and so much. I didn't get it आखिर में. Like it was fun. Court of Thorns and Roses पूरी series was just there, just yeah. This book, plot, everything. Take all the Court of Thorns and Roses books in one book, right? पता है पूरी थॉर्न्स एंड रोजेस एक बुक में आ भी सकती है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 2 बुक में, है ना. गॉड नोस वो लोग इतना क्या करते थे. सो या कोल्ड्रिन एंड एवरीथिंग. Ashling, it was actually like a good name. And Ashling, like उसकी क्या कहेंगे, मदर का नाम, मदर भी नहीं मतलब जो भी है, डिवाइनर की अम्मा whatever उनका नाम. So yeah, I guess that's my review of the book. I guess that's more than enough. It was good. Let me just summarize it all. The writing was splendid, right? The female character was not main character, was not drooling over the male character all the time and sexualizing the male character. I think the sexualization of female and male characters should stop, right? And there was cute flirting and everything, you know. And the sidekick was fun. Bartholomew, I loved how he kept on saying the wrong phrases and everything. The male character had other motives rather than the female character, right? Not really. Like he was a knight and it was his duty, but he liked her a lot, you know. And yeah, that's about it for my review. Everything had a meaning. Yeah. Maybe next time when I summarize everything and do all that, I'll make a video again. But right now I'm done. I have to study and everything. So, bye.